হাই ফ্রেন্ডস, গুড মর্নিং। আজকে এখন বাজে 7:45। এখন আমরা ব্রেকফাস্ট করতে যাচ্ছি। ব্রেকফাস্ট করে আমরা অস্ট্রিয়ার দিকে রওনা হবো। অস্ট্রিয়াতে আজকে দেখবো ক্রিস্টাল মিউজিয়াম দেখে আমরা হোটেলে ঢুকে যাবো। এখান থেকে অস্ট্রিয়া যেতে প্রায় 4 ঘন্টা লাগবে বলছে। আমরা এখান থেকে বেরোবো 8:30টার সময়। তো রাস্তা পথে যদি কিছু দেখানোর থাকে দেখাবো, নাহলে সোজা ক্রিস্টাল মিউজিয়ামে দেখাবো। এরকমভাবে ব্রেকফাস্টের লাইন পড়েছে। এখানকার ট্রেন, রাস্তায় একটা সমুদ্রের একটা পাড় ঢুকে গেছে দেখা যাচ্ছে। এই হচ্ছে জিনিসটা। Innsbruck Church.
So ladies and gentlemen, now we get off the first time. I want to show you.
তো আমরা অস্ট্রিয়ার ইন্সবার্গ শহরে এসে গেছি। এইখানে আমরা দেখতেছি একটি চার্চ। এই হচ্ছে চার্চ। চার্চের সামনে কিছু কবরস্থান রয়েছে, ডরমেটরি। এখন চার্চে ঢুকছি আমরা। সিমেট্রি রয়েছে। This is the church. Oh,
Can you translate?
yes.
Okay, I want to show you this church because this is the most beautiful Rococo church in the whole federal state. Okay?
इस स्टेट का सबसे सुंदर खूबसूरत चर्च है ये।
270 years old.
बांग्लादेश 270 বছর আগে।
And if we go inside, you can see beautiful frescoes and stucco work.
ভিতরে গেলে অনেক স্ট্রাকচার যেগুলো দেখা যাবে সে পুরনো, ভিতরে গেলে খুব সুন্দর সুন্দর সেগুলো দেখা যাবে।
And all the benches made of wood are original, 270 years old.
270 বছর আগেকার কাঠ দিয়ে সব বেঞ্চগুলো বানানো।
Just in the city from Innsbruck, we have 48 churches, Catholic churches.
ক্যাথলিক চার্চ ইন্সব্রুকে 48টা আছে।
And that's the most popular wedding church. You know, wedding.
এটা হচ্ছে বিয়ের সবথেকে পপুলার, বিয়ের জন্য পপুলার।
It is very difficult to get an appointment here for wedding. Very difficult. Okay, let's go inside. Inside there is a, it's blocked, we cannot go to the altar, but you can take pictures inside. Okay. And please, beside, okay, because only also if there is just one prayer inside, we have to be very quiet. And please, the man has to put off the hands.
ছেলেরা টুপি খুলে যাবে, চুপচাপ শান্ত থাকবে, হা হি করবে না, একদম ভিতরে ঢুকতে পারবে।
আমরা ভেতরে যাচ্ছি, ভেতরে কথা বলা যাবে না, চুপচাপ দেখতে হবে। প্রচণ্ড হাওয়া হচ্ছে।
এর থেকে আগে দেখেছেন?
Many of us seen, everybody may not.
If somebody in my family dies, okay, I want to remember him or her, and I light one candle. I light one candle and pray for him, okay? And inside, you can go inside, there are some old, very old pictures, and that's tradition here as well. Just for example, my son was skiing, then there came down an avalanche, and he survived, because this is life dangerous, okay? And if he survived, it's traditional to make a small prayer. I write a prayer or I make a picture with the situation when he comes under the avalanche. And then we put it into the different churches, the pictures or the prayers. That's traditional. So inside you can yes, but for a candle you have to pay €1. The euro goes to the investment of the church.
You know the cobra snake? Because it looks like a snake. Here I have pictures from the side. You know now why it is called the Cobra Tower? It was designed by Mohammed Hadid. Do you know her? Yeah, Saha Mohammed Hadid was the best lady architect worldwide. She got a lot of prizes for her projects, and this was designed by Zaha Hadid. Ski jumping. Who don't know about ski jumping? Everybody knows the sports?
Yeah.
Okay, I have some pictures here. We are here in Austria, okay? Two of the best ski jumpers ever. Stefan Kraft, in English, Steven Power. This guy from Austria, he made the longest jump ever. 253 meters. But not here in Slovenia at a double-sized jump, okay? World record. And this is Michael Heiberg from Austria as well, and he has the record on this jump, 138 meters. And that's so spectacular. You see below the restaurant, the wide track, the so-called in-run. So they go in this position, you notice? They go in this position, they have very long ski, and then within 4 seconds they get the speed from 92 kilometers per hour. And within a quarter of a second, very short moment, they have to jump off. And then they accelerate in the air up to 130 kilometers per hour. And then they land in this position. So spectacular. Right behind the wall here is a beautiful cemetery. And the ski jumpers, if they stand at the top, they see the Basilica Wilten, you see, and the cemetery. And here, do you see the black guy, Mr. Andreas Goldschneider from Austria, Olympic champion? When they jump off, they feel to fly straight into the graveyards. It's an optical illusion. Very spectacular. That's the other jumper. And the funny thing is, they do this in the summertime as well. There is no need for snow. In the summertime they have to make that training but it's slippery like snow as well. Just in the winter time they make snow and ice. And the difference is, in the summertime, if a ski jumper crashes, if he has an accident, it becomes very hot because of the friction, you know, plastic grass. And in the winter time, it's very icy. It becomes not hot, but it's really painful for them if they crash with 130 kilometers per hour. So, one of the most spectacular sports. I just want to tell you that Innsbruck is a sports-loving city. It's one of the sports cities in Europe with 3 Winter Olympic Games on the city worldwide. 1964 the first games, 76 the second Olympic Games, 2012 the Youth Olympic Games for the juniors, and more than 60 world and European championships in soccer, ice hockey, Nordic combination, ski jumping, volleyball, handball, American football, Latin dancing, climbing, downhill biking, mountain, trail run, bicycle world championship and so on. We love sports, any kinds of sports, but I'm really sorry, we don't know nothing about cricket. We cannot play cricket, I'm sorry for that. Indians are one of the best teams worldwide, is this right?
Yeah.
We don't know about this sport. Okay, now we go by bus, a nice tour, okay?
আজকের জন্য এইটুকুনি। আজকের ভিডিওটি ইন্সবার্গ শহর অস্ট্রিয়ার দেখালাম আর একটা চার্চ দেখালাম। পরের দিন দেখাবো ক্রিস্টাল মিউজিয়াম। তো ভিডিও বড় হয়ে যাচ্ছে বলে আমি আর এর মধ্যে অ্যাড করলাম না। সো পরের দিন আবার দেখা হচ্ছে নতুন ভিডিওতে। টাটা।